Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Okay, I'm Skinny Kitty.
I'm Muzzlehead Ken.
And we're the Clar Brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro. We're here for your health.
We are cooking up a storm tonight, and we are going to do something super simple, right?
Right, yeah, this is
tell 'em what
back
we're
to
doing.
the basics. So we got little pork chops, no applesauce. So we got some pork chops and some arugula salad, but it's, man, is it simple. There's like
It's
3
I think
ingredients.
technically their episode name is lemon, rosemary, pork chops, and arugula salad.
We went out to the garden and got ourselves some
we
rosemary.
didn't even have to buy that.
This is right out of our garden, and we got some lemon right off our lemon tree,
right.
and we're gonna.
It comes off the lemon tree with that sticker, does it?
Yeah, the skin.
Yeah.
And some arugula salad right out of the section that says arugula salad.
Right.
Super simple.
Yeah, and we got lots of salad to go around. We think the pork chops is going to be enough. It's supposed to serve, the recipe that you're going to see serves 2, but we got 4 people here in the house that are going to be eating, so we got a little bit more going on.
I get to show my.
Don't give it away. Don't give it away.
Peppermint.
Well, so what we're going to do is we're going to zest the lemons. We're going to get a little bit of lemon juice. This is the zester.
Zester, juicer.
Yeah, and then we're going to get the salt and the pepper and the garlic.
Pepper. Come on, let me talk about my pepper.
Okay, talk about your pepper.
So this is my hex-clad pepper maker. You pull off the bottom, and by this thing down here is where you
smell it.
figure out where it's how fine it is, and then this you just twist it.
Okay.
And it does its thing.
Fresh ground
and then
pepper.
if you want to put more in it, you push the little button and you pull the lid off. It's pretty simple. It's pretty nice looking. They had one that
It's very
is-
manly looking.
Yeah, they have one that's gray and one
Okay.
that's black. I needed the gray one. The gray one's for the salt.
Oh, okay. All
I
right.
got the black one, but
we'll get the
anyway,
gray
we'll
one.
get the gray one later.
So when we come back, we're gonna put our marinade. We're basically making a marinade. We're putting it in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag.
Maybe we'll do 2, because two chops in each bag, and then
Yeah.
we'll go that way.
And and you got to put the chops in there with the marinade.
In 30 minutes, and our grill is gonna get fired up, and then we're gonna throw it on the grill when they're marinated. We're gonna make ourselves a little salad. We're gonna be good to go, right?
Right.
So there's a couple of different types of zesters. This is a zester. It's interesting because this is the dragon, and it's a pull. It's grating it into the little channel,
Okay.
and I've created enough to get it in our little ramekin, and then I'm gonna chop that sucker up. Easier said than done. And then we've showed you this before, but you got to put this thing in there backwards.
Yeah, the opposite way.
And then we're gonna squeeze it so we get the lemon juice.
And we want a 1.5 spoons, I think, or 2 tablespoons. I forget which. So not a lot.
That's probably about right. And we'll do the other one. And this other side, because we're gonna go into 2 different bags.
And this is what our workspace looks like.
So that's it. So we got our zest and our juice kind of ready to go. What are you doing, buddy?
Chopping up the rosemary. I got
Wow,
these
it looks like a Christmas tree and you're just defrocking it,
I
huh?
got these cool scissors, and they're there for just this purpose, to chop things up like this. Easier said than done, really.
But we don't need much.
We don't
And
need much.
it's pretty aromatic, right, Ken?
Yeah, you can smell it big time. You know, someday in the future when they've got smell TV, you'll be able to smell it. So now we're gonna add in all the stuff to make up the marinade. And I think we start with the liquid first.
Okay.
So this is we combined our garlic and our lemon juice. And now here's our olive oil. And we got our dried, fresh rosemary and the lemon zest. Okay. Now you want to Ziploc these things up a little bit, get the air out of it, and then you want to kind of mush them around a little bit. And these are going to sit in this marinade.
I think somebody usually says Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. Until Bob is your uncle. Okay. sit in the marinade for, remember how long, buddy?
So at least 30 minutes, could be up to 2 hours. I think we're gonna do it. We gotta fire up the grill. It'll take about that long for the grill to get warm. And then we'll be throwing these bad boys on the grill. Right. So we're just trying to get this stuff kind of mushed around so we get the flavor, and then we're good to go. She's at 450. Putting her on the grill.
And they said like 4 minutes aside or something, like hardly any time at all.
Then it said something about putting it in the oven, but we're gonna do it all on the grill. We're gonna put our probe in right here. I'll put my probe in a little bit. I'll flip them once or twice, and then we'll know the internal temperature when it's ready.
Okay. We're gonna try and squeeze a little lemon in here while I toss the salad.
Always knew you liked to toss salad.
Wow, that's pretty lemony.
Too much, maybe?
No,
We stop there.
It's probably okay.
But maybe we stop at that
And then a
point.
little olive oil. Again, you want to kind of try and get it in the bowl, not everywhere else. Toss it a little bit, and a little salt. Not too much. Whoa! That seems like too much.
Seemed like too much?
Okay, so now we got a nice fresh salad.
Well, we got more salad, so maybe we put another one in there because it kind of shrunk down.
It did. It's interesting, huh?
Yeah, that's really crazy.
Okay, put one more in there.
That's right.
The pork chops have been on the grill for now 2 or 3 minutes, so Kev's gonna flip them over.
Yeah, they're getting a little more squishy. That's one of the things, as you cook more on the grill, you'll feel the feel of the meat will feel a little more rebound, I guess, as it gets more cooked. So we're gonna wait just a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna put the probe in there, and this probe is hooked up to my phone, and it'll tell me what the temperature is. That's a lot firmer. Look at how firm that is. Now, pork chops is one of those things that you don't want to undercook, but what I found is you want to be a little careful because you don't want to overcook it either. And I'm putting the probe in there. Try not to burn yourself.
So let me get a close-up of the probe. See the probe there? You got it in a big part of the meat.
Yeah, try to probe it and see what the deal is here. I'll see if I can't pull
We're gonna get it to like 145, right?
Right. And this is how it looks on your phone. And I have set this on pork medium, which means fully cooked, right? And so you don't want to go more medium because it'll get too dry, but somewhere in that range. So what I usually do is go a few degrees sooner, but you can see the target temperature is 160. Right now at 150.
Ooh,
so
it's time to
close.
take it off.
It's close. Maybe 5 more degrees. I'll wait a little
The
longer.
recipe said 145, I thought.
Not for pork chops.
It was a pork chop recipe.
Well, it might have said pork chops.
It said
and then-
internal
And then you
temperature.
put it in the baker, in the oven.
No, they put it in the oven with the probe. That's all right. You're the master. I'll let you decipher it. We got the pork chops off the grill, baby. They smell good. I'm smelling the pepper, I think. Man, it looks really good. It smells good too.
Okay.
I'm going in.
I'm going in too.
Okay, it looks a little pink, but not bad. But it seems juicy. That's good.
I can taste the garlic and
And the rosemary.
rosemary. Yeah, rosemary. That's pretty yummy. Definitely doesn't just taste like a pork chop. Definitely can taste seasoning.
And the salad is good too. It's very light and citrusy. And man, hardly any calories in the dressing because it was just olive oil and lemon juice. So, okay, you got to try this at home. And when you do, slide into our DMs and tell us how you liked it.
Well, what's that?
Claw Brothers Bistro, here for your health.